Is your 2011 Honda Accord's alarm going off randomly? It's a common issue, often stemming from a faulty door switch, hood latch, or key fob. We'll pinpoint the cause. First, understand that your Accord's body control module, BCM, monitors these components. A false signal from any of them can trigger the alarm. The most common culprits are corroded or sticking door switches, a misaligned hood latch, or a key fob that needs resyncing. Start by visually inspecting all door switches for corrosion or damage. Then, check the hood latch for proper alignment and lubrication. Finally, try resyncing your key fob. For door switches, use a multimeter to check for continuity. Resistance should be close to 0 ohms when the door is closed. If faulty, aftermarket replacements are readily available online for $10 to $20. For the hood latch, adjust the latch so the gap is approximately 1/8 to 1/4 inch when closed. Lubricate it to ensure smooth operation. To resync your key fob, insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position, but don't start the car, and simultaneously press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob for 5 to 10 seconds until the lights flash. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be necessary to visit a professional, or it could be a BCM issue. But these DIY fixes resolve an estimated 70% of cases.